Alright guys, I give up because I tried to...
While skippers out on the water, please do not rock the boat because you do not want to capsize. The water is very cold. I would not recommend it. Thank you.
Alright, guys, sorry for that interruption, but, we're going to be driving boats.
Yeah.
And, I tried multiple times to not, end the video, but I keep ending it for some reason. So, we're going to be waiting in this line, and let's see where we go. Say hi.
Hi.
Guys, we moving. We moving. Oh my god, guys, we're so close. Yo. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We're gonna be driving. So yeah. Guys, look at that, the dolphins. Splash up. That's crazy. Yo, guys, we're so close. And look, pause it. Alright, guys. Okay.
This one, left, right, or left?
Timmy! Which one? The big one?
Just a friendly reminder for all skippers out on the water. Please make sure that you are sitting all the way down, please. You do not want to have any swimming lessons today. Once again, the water is cold. Make sure you're sitting all the way down. Thank you.
Going right or left?
Oh my god.
Going left?
I'm going left. Alright. Wait, I'll set it on the
Other way, other way.
Okay. Alright,
Push the
sorry.
pedal.
I am pushing it.
Or steer this way. Steer this way. Steer this way.
Oopsies.
Steer this way.
How could
Steer this way.
Alright.
Hello, and welcome to our skipper school. Have fun, and remember these simple rules. Now, captain's rules on the road are here to be found. Steer
Okay.
your boat well, and don't turn it around. 2 skippers per... Please sit on the seat, and don't stand or kneel. Keep your hands in the boat, and your eyes on your path. And follow the instructions of the skipper school staff. Good skippers look out for other pilots in the bay. Have a safe voyage and a really great day.
Oh, why is it going this way? This way. Okay, this way, this way. This way, this way, this way, this way. Mom, I'm really struggling, team. I'm really struggling.
That way, that way.
Okay, this way. Move, boat!
Other way.
Move, boat! Hurry up! Okay, okay, good boat.
That way, that way.
Okay, okay, okay.
That way.
Full boost! This pedal doesn't work! This way.
This way, this way.
This way.
That way, that way.
Full? That way? This way? This way, this way.
This way, this way, this way.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
This way.
Ah! Oh my god, we're safe. Full down!
On the water, please remain seated. Help is on the way. It's got this red boat might push you.
Ah! Oh no! Okay, 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 okay. This pedal doesn't work. How do I use this pedal? Oh, right here.
Maria, if you guys are stuck, help is on the way.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, okay, that's it. That's it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, okay. That's it. How is this down? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, shoot.
yo, just a friendly reminder for everyone out in the water, please make sure to keep all hands inside of the boats at all times. I don't want them to get pushed. Thank you.
Push it with yours.
Oh no! Okay. This way. My driving skills are paying off. Oh, this way. Alright, back. This way. Mom, I told you I was a professional driver. Alright, now this way. Perfect. This way. Get off.
Nice to stop.
Huh?
Nice to stop.
Yeah.
Careful with your face.
Are we coming? Why is it going this way?
Our steps out on the ride, please remain seated. Help is on the way momentarily.
Why?
You got it.
Alright guys, that's the end of Legoland trip. If you had fun with me, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.